Hi Fit Fam, welcome to yet another prenatal workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Just continue marching in sport with us so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for our workout. I'm going to be joined today by my friend Sylvia, who is about 5 months pregnant. So please be sure to follow her along. If you're not sure about exercising during pregnancy, please be sure to consult with your doctor before you begin this or any other workout program. So just continue marching, feeling your body warming up, breathe in, breathe out, smiling, feeling good about yourself. This workout is strength training and it is suitable for any trimester, so you will need a pair of dumbbells, whichever is convenient for you to lift. So next we are going to be doing some stretching. Just reach out and to the other side. Keep breathing in and breathing out, feeling that stretch in your arms. Please just follow Sylvia. Keep going, breathing in and breathing out. And next we are going to begin with Kegels. We are going to be doing 10 sets of Kegels. So we shall begin just about now. Just watch on Sylvia. We shall begin right now. Just stand straight, pull your abs towards the spine, and you're going to begin squeezing your pelvic floor muscles, holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, and release, breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze, breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and release, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 of these guys. Just continue, Sylvia. Squeeze and hold and release. Squeeze and release. Squeeze. If you don't know how to determine which muscles we are working out, I will leave that video in the video cards above. Just continue following Sylvia. Squeeze. The pelvic floor muscles or the Kegels help to strengthen your pelvic floor and prevent problems like urine incontinence. So very good workout or exercises when you're pregnant. Just give me 3 more. Squeeze, hold and release. So it is recommended that you do 3 sets of 10 of these at least per day. And just give me 1 more, Sylvia. Squeeze and release. So next we want to grab our dumbbells, Sylvia, and we are going to get into the bicep curls. We are doing 10 of these. So you want to squeeze onto your dumbbells and just begin bringing them up and down. Very good workout to strengthen those arm muscles, because trust me, you will need those muscles strong when your baby arrives.
My favorite.
It is your favorite? Awesome. Keep going. Squeeze and down. Squeeze. Just follow your pace. Go at your own pace. If you feel you need a break, feel free to take it anytime during the exercise. Squeeze and down. Let's just do 3 more, Sylvia. How is that? Squeeze and down. 2 more. Squeeze and down. Just 1 more. Squeeze and down. And bring down your dumbbells safely, like she's doing, bending at your knees. And we want to stretch it out, grabbing your breath. Just 15 seconds of breath. Very good stretch. And next we are going to be getting into the wall sit. You will be following Sylvia on this one. So just get into position, Sylvia, and we are going to get down first, pulling your abs towards the spine, then get down to a position that is comfortable for you, and then begin raising your arms up and bringing them down. Just give me 10 of these. Up and down. This works on strengthening your legs, your quadriceps, and your abdominal muscles as well. Just continue squeezing your abs towards the spine and back. Bring up and down. Keep going. Up and down. You're doing amazing. Up and just give me only 2 more. Up and down, and 1 more. Up and down. Well back, guys. So you will be grabbing the dumbbells, and again just bend at your knees, guys. Make sure you don't bend on your back while picking your dumbbells. So what we want to do is 10 of these as well. You want to hold your dumbbells right in front of you and spread out your legs, and you want to keep your back flat as possible, and you want to begin going down as low as you can and up. Breathing in and out. Don't hold your breath. Breathe in and out, squeezing onto your dumbbell, guys, and up. Dumbbells and in, go down and up. How many have we done so far, Sylvia?
I don't know.
And up, go down and up. Take it easy, guys. Follow your body. Down and up. So let's just do 2 more. Down and up. Just give me 1 more. Down and up. Well done. So just bring your dumbbells down, and you want to stretch out, stretching out those hamstrings, you know, feeling that nice stretch in your back and in your legs, you know. So just stretch it out, feeling good about yourself, catching your breath as well, and bringing it back. Yes, so we are going to get into the lunge, guys. Just prepare yourself, get into position, your arms around your waist, pull your abs towards the spine. So we shall begin with the right leg, Sylvia. So we are going to be lunging and coming back, and other side lunge and get back. Let's just do 8 per leg. Lunge and back and lunge and back. These are your worst. These really make you strong. Do you want to be grabbing onto a chair? Lunge and back and lunge and back. Just 1 more per leg. Lunge and back and lunge and back. And of course, guys, relax it out, Sylvia. Feel free to grab onto a chair, like if you need support. Grab onto a chair and then hold onto a chair for your support. Breathe in. How are you feeling, Sylvia? Everything fine? That is nice. So we want to be grabbing our dumbbells again, Sylvia. Hit them up safely as usual. Getting into the triceps kickbacks. So what you want to do is to bend at your knees, making sure you have a flat back. And we shall begin by raising up and backwards and back and down. Giving me 8 of these, guys. Up and back and down. Keep going. Keep breathing. Keep squeezing your abs towards the spine and down. That's 3. Reach out and back and 4. Keep going. Up. Reach back. Bring it back and down, guys. Up. Reach back and down. Just give me 2 more. Up. Reach back and down. Only 1 more, Sylvia. Up. Reach back and down. Well done, guys. So we want to stretch out, catching your breath, Sylvia. You're just stretching out. And gather your strength, your energy. We are going to be getting down onto our mats. Actually, only Sylvia will do, because as you can see, we have only 1 mat, and we shall be getting into the bird dog. So breathe in, breathe out. Feel free to go grab some water, guys. Feel free to take a break if you must, and don't forget to follow your body. Do only as much as you can go. So time now, Sylvia. We want to go down onto our mats on all 4s. Okay. And what you want to do is to hug your baby, pull in your abs tightly towards the spine. We do have a flat back, and what you want to do is to begin with opposite arm, opposite leg. So you want to reach out and bringing it back, and we are doing 8 of these per side. Reach out, stretching out your leg and arm to as far as you can go, and back. Reach out and back, feeling that stretch in your back, in your legs, in your arms, and back. Just give me 2 more. Reach out and back. You can even do more if you want to, and back, and the other leg. Well done. So we shall begin with opposite arm, opposite leg. Reach out and come back. Reach out and come back. Keep hugging your baby, guys. Squeeze your abs towards the spine. Reach out and back. Keep breathing in. Reach out and back. How are you feeling, Sylvia?
Reach
out and back. Just give me 2 more. Reach out and back. Just 1 more.
My back is on fire.
Out and back. Strengthening those back muscles, the abdominal muscles. This is also another good exercise when you're pregnant. You can get up, Sylvia. We need to grab our dumbbells just 1 more time. Just go down safely, just picking 1, actually, not both, Sylvia. So we shall begin with the right arm. Hold the dumbbell down and you want to squeeze on it tightly. So you want to begin reaching out and stretching it and bringing it down. So you want to reach out and stretch to as far as you can go while holding the dumbbell onto the other side. We are working on those obliques, the side muscles, and strengthening them, guys. So reach out and back, keep going, reach out and back, breathing in and out, reach out, squeezing onto your dumbbell and back. Just give me 2 more, Sylvia. Reach out and back, well done. Reach out, good, and bring it back. And the other side, you want to squeeze onto your dumbbells. You want to reach out and back and reach out and back, reach out and back, reach out and back, breathing, reach out and back, reach out and back, keep going, feeling that good stretch in your right side. Do you feel it, Sylvia?
I feel it.
I hope it feels good. And back, squeezing onto your dumbbells, reach out and back. Just give me 1 more. Reach out and back. Well done, Sylvia. Bring it down. And the good news is that we are coming to our last exercise. So breathe in, breathe out, relax it out, guys. Feel free to grab some water. So what we want to do is leg kickbacks. We shall be doing 10 per side. I don't know if you need to support yourself on a wall or a chair, but if you don't, Sylvia is good. Feel free to grab a chair and do this with a chair. So what you want to do is to pull your abs towards the spine, and you will begin bringing the left leg back and bringing it back. Reach out and back, doing 10 of these per leg. Reach out and back. This works especially on your legs, your glutes, and back. Reach out and back, reach out and back. Have I lost count of how many we've done so far?
I don't know.
Reach out and back. Let's just do 2 more. Reach out and back, squeezing your abs and hugging your baby, and back. And the other leg, Sylvia. So you want to hold and you want to begin reaching out and back, reach out and back, reach out and back. Oops, I almost tripped over there. Reach back and get back. Keep breathing. And back. And back. Keep going. And back. And back. Let's just do 3 more. Back and back. This is very good for strengthening your back as well in case you have any back pain. And relax it out, guys. We have come to the end of our workout, but before that we need to do some stretching, Sylvia.
Yeah.
Beginning with those arms, you want to begin with the right hand. Just bring it forward, facing the other direction, and stretch it out, holding it right there for 30 seconds. Feel free to do some wrist rotations while at it, and feeling that stretch in the arms. We've done an amazing job today while we lifted those dumbbells. So keep stretching it right there and holding. Keep going. Hugging your baby all the time. Actually, this is a practice you should do because it helps to keep your abdominal muscles strong. And the other arm, and reach it out and keep breathing in and breathing out. Keep going. And breathing in and out. How are you guys feeling? Let me know in the comment section below. And bring it back down. Next, we want to stretch out the quadricep muscles. So you will need to hold your leg over there. Let's just do 20 seconds per side. Feel free to hold onto a chair if you can or if you must. Sylvia over here doesn't need to, but if you need to, please grab onto a chair, and we shall continue holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and grab onto the other leg, feeling that stretch in your thigh muscles, in your legs, and we shall continue holding this right there. That is good. So just continue holding it right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next you want to come down on the mat, Sylvia. So we do the child's pose. You want to get the baby pose or the child pose. So you want to reach out your arms and you want to be holding this for 30 seconds or even as long as you want or can. Feeling that stretch in your back, feeling that stretch in your arms, breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. So just continue holding that there for as long as you need to. And we have actually come to the end of our workout, guys. So you want to get up and you want to breathe in. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Just one more. Breath in and breathe out. She is exhausted, but trust me, she feels stronger. How are you feeling?
I feel so good. That is so
That
necessary.
Is awesome. A high five if you've made it all this far with us, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families on social media. Invite them to come over and we keep our bodies fit for health. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. And it means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.
Cheers.